Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to have a look at Jenkins. So what is Jenkins? Now, as you can see here, we are on the homepage, and Jenkins is an open source automation server that revolutionizes the software development process. Jenkins is a robust platform that facilitates continuous integration and continuous delivery. This empowers developers to automate building, testing, and deploying code seamlessly. So let us have a look at some of the reasons why Jenkins should be our first choice in automation. First of all, it is automation. So Jenkins automates repetitive tasks, enhancing efficiency and reducing manual errors, which is absolutely amazing. It also has great integration. So it seamlessly integrates with various tools and technologies, offering a flexible and customizable CI/CD pipeline. It also has extensibility. Jenkins boasts a vast array of plugins to extend functionality and adapt to diverse project requirements, which we will talk about in a little bit. Jenkins also boasts great community support. As you can see, it benefits from a large and active community, ensuring regular updates, regular support, and regular contributions. Some of the features that we can have a look at is the pipeline support. And this is robust support for defining pipelines as code, enabling the creation of complex workflows. Distributed builds. Allowing distributed builds across multiple machines, enhancing performance and scalability is another feature that you can find in Jenkins. Monitoring and notifications. Providing monitoring capabilities and notifications for build status, failures, and events makes Jenkins nice and smooth to use. Now let's go have a look at some of the security features that Jenkins offers. So first of all, it has access control. And access control, Jenkins provides fine-grained access control mechanisms to secure sensitive data and restrict unauthorized access. It also offers credentials management. So it securely manages credentials and secrets, ensuring data protection and compliance with security standards. Absolutely amazing. Now, if we go ahead and we have a look at some of the plugins that is offered, a plugin ecosystem. So Jenkins offers a vast plugin ecosystem for extending functionality, enabling customization, and integrating with various tools, as you can see over here. The plugin management system. So you can easily manage plugins through the Jenkins interface right here, allowing for seamless integration and enhanced automation capabilities. Now, we all know we cannot have the good without just a little bit of bad. Now, having a look at some of the disadvantages of the Jenkins platform. Jenkins is very complex. Setting up and configuring Jenkins can be quite challenging if you don't have any prior experience. There is also maintenance overhead, which requires regular maintenance to ensure optimal performance and security, which can be time consuming by doing it manually. It also is resource intensive. So running Jenkins instances can consume a significant amount of resources, especially in the large scale environments. Now, given all of the disadvantages, there are still a good few reasons why we should use Jenkins. Having a look at its efficiency. Jenkins streamlines development by automating tasks. It also has quality assurance, enhancing code quality and identifying issues early in the development cycle through automated testing and continuous integration can allow for good quality. It also, as we mentioned earlier, is highly scalable, and it's got standardization. This promotes standardization and best practices by enforcing consistent build and deployment processes across the development teams. So, ladies and gentlemen, will you be using Jenkins? Will you be using one of its competitors? Let us know in the comments section below. What do you think? And we'll see you in another awesome video. Cheers.